Hello everyone, this is your Bandhini Sharma. Welcome back to my channel BMB Tutorial. So in last session we have discussed the intro part of exercise 2.4 that includes factor theorem and factorization of polynomial by splitting method and factor theorem, right? And in today's session we are going to discuss the exercise 2.4 that is totally based on what we have learned in previous session. Okay, so let's start is. The question number 1 is determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 a factor. Okay, so here in this question you are given 4 polynomials in which you have to examine that x plus 1 is a factor of that polynomial. Okay, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या दे रखा है, कुछ पॉलिनोमियल्स दे रखे हैं और उन पॉलिनोमियल्स के लिए आपको क्या चेक करना है कि x प्लस 1 हर एक पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है या नहीं. ओके तो इस क्वेश्चन में हम क्या करेंगे, फैक्टर थ्योरम का यूज़ करेंगे. जहाँ पर भी हमें फैक्टर का पता लगाना हो कि किसी पॉलिनोमियल का ये फैक्टर है या नहीं है, तो सिंपली वी विल यूज़ फैक्टर थ्योरम. ओके, द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज द गिवन पॉलिनोमियल इज एक्स क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू चेक फॉर द फैक्टर एक्स प्लस 1. सो बाय फैक्टर थ्योरम, फैक्टर थ्योरम के अकॉर्डिंग क्या है, इफ़ x प्लस 1 इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ गिवन px means given polynomial, that is px here. Okay, so p minus 1 must be 0. ओके, हमें x प्लस 1 को एज अ फैक्टर चेक करना है, दैट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x माइनस ए. इफ़ x माइनस ए इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ पी एक्स देन पी ए मस्ट बी 0 अकॉर्डिंग टू फैक्टर थ्योरम. ओके, सो हियर x माइनस ए इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x प्लस 1. इट मीन्स a इज़ हियर माइनस 1. ओके, a is here what, minus 1. So the value of this polynomial at a equals to minus 1 must be 0. Okay, if it comes 0 it means x plus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. So let's check it. P minus 1, in place of x we have to put the value minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 then plus 1. Okay, so cube of minus 1 minus 1. Okay, and square of minus 1 is 1, here minus 1 then plus 1. Okay, now see, minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 1 plus 1 0. It means you are getting here the value of polynomial at x equals to minus 1 or a equals to minus 1 0. It means it is very sure x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial, that is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now second part is, here the polynomial is x raised to power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so for this polynomial we have to check x plus 1 a factor. Okay, so same by using factor theorem that says if x minus a is a factor of polynomial px then pa must be 0. Okay, so same we have to apply here. Here if x plus 1, we have to check for the factor x plus 1. Okay, so if x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial px, okay, it means p minus 1 must be 0. Okay, according to the factor theorem, if this polynomial is a factor of this given polynomial, it means p minus 1 will be 0. So write the value here. P minus 1 means, okay, so we will here calculate for P minus 1. So minus 1 raised to power 4 plus minus 1 raised to power 3 plus minus 1 raised to power 2 plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so here the power is even. Okay, so it will be plus 1. Here cube of minus 1 means minus 1. Here square of minus 1, that is even. Okay, so it will be plus 1. Here plus minus minus 1 plus 1. Okay, now see, this plus 1 minus 1 cancel out, plus 1 minus 1 cancel out, remaining is plus 1. So here the value of polynomial at a equals to minus 1 is not coming 0. Okay, that is not equals to 0. It means what? X plus 1 is not its factor. ओके, हमने क्या किया? फैक्टर थ्योरम का यूज़ किया. हमें चेक करना था x प्लस 1 क्या इस गिवन पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है या नहीं. अगर x प्लस 1 इस पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर होता है, इसका मतलब p माइनस 1 की वैल्यू क्या आनी चाहिए? 0 आनी चाहिए. तो हमने चेक करके देखा. ओके, चेक करके देखा, इसकी वैल्यू 0 नहीं आ रही. इसका मतलब x प्लस 1 इज़ नॉट इट्स फैक्टर. Okay, so third part is the polynomial given here, x raised to power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so for this polynomial we have to check. A polynomial means here is linear polynomial, x plus 1 as its factor. Okay, so why factor theorem? If x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial px, then p minus 1. ओके, यहाँ पर क्या है? x प्लस 1 है. अगर आप इस x प्लस 1 को x प्लस 1 जो कि किस फॉर्म में है? x माइनस ए अकॉर्डिंग टू फैक्टर थ्योरम. तो यहाँ से आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो a की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? माइनस 1. ओके, सो एट दिस वैल्यू द वैल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल मस्ट बी 0. ओके, सो देन p माइनस 1 मस्ट बी 0. ओके, अगर x प्लस 1 इस पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर होता है तो इसका मतलब p माइनस 1 की वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए? 0. तो हम चेक करके देख लेते हैं कि p माइनस 1 की वैल्यू 0 आ रही है. अगर आएगी इसका मतलब x प्लस 1 इसका फैक्टर होगा, और नहीं आती है then it's not a factor of this polynomial. Okay, so p minus 1 is what here? So p minus 1 is minus 1 raised to power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 3 into minus 1 raised to power 2 plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so here the power is 4, so it will be plus 1. Okay, and cube of minus 1 and minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3. Okay, here the power of minus 1 is 2, so minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 3 is plus 3. Okay, so here plus minus minus 1 plus 1. Now see here, minus 3 plus 3 cancel out, this plus 1 minus 1 cancel out, you are left here with plus 1, that is not equals to 0. Okay, so here the value of polynomial at a equals to minus 1 is not coming as 0. It means x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial px. Okay, so fourth part is Okay, so fourth part is the given polynomial is x cube minus x square minus in bracket 2 plus under root 2 into x plus root 2. Okay, so here we have to check the same factor x plus 1 of this polynomial. So we will use here the same factor theorem. Okay, so according to factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of given polynomial px of that degree must be greater than or equals to 1, okay, then pa will be 0. Okay, so here we have to check for x plus 1. Okay, so by factor theorem, if x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial px here, okay, then p minus 1 must be 0. ओके, ये वही फैक्टर है, इन 4 पार्ट्स में फैक्टर आपका सेम ही रह रहा है, सिर्फ पॉलिनोमियल चेंज हो रहा है. तो हर एक पॉलिनोमियल के लिए आपको चेक करना है कि x प्लस 1 इस पॉलिनोमियल का या गिवन पॉलिनोमियल्स का फैक्टर है या नहीं है. तो हम फैक्टर थ्योरम का यूज़ करके कर रहे हैं कि अगर x प्लस 1 सपोज इस पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर होता है, इसका मतलब p माइनस 1 की यहाँ a क्या है, -1. ओके, पी ए मस्ट बी 0 मीन्स p minus 1 must be 0. So okay, so we will check here p minus 1. If it comes as 0, it means x plus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial. Okay, so p minus 1 is what? Minus 1 raised to power minus 3 minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 2 plus under root 2 into minus 1 plus under root 2. Okay, now solve it. Cube of minus 1 will be minus 1. Okay, square of minus 1 will be plus 1. Okay, so here minus 1 into this minus 1 will be plus 2 plus root 2. Okay, and this plus root 2. Now see, minus 1 will be minus 2 and this plus 2 and plus root 2 plus root 2 will be 1 root 2 plus 1 root 2 means 2 root 2. Okay, so here minus 2 plus 2 will be 0 and you are left with 2 under root 2, that is not equals to 0. Okay, so it implies what? X plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Okay, so we have checked for p minus 1 and it is coming 2 root 2, that is not equals to 0. Okay, it means x plus 1 is not its factor. ओके, तो जब भी फैक्टर चेक करने की बात आती है, एग्जामिन करना हो कि गिवन फैक्टर है या नहीं है, तो हमें फैक्टर थ्योरम का यूज़ करना है. ठीक है, हमें पी ए को 0 के लिए चेक करना. अगर पी ए 0 आपका आ रहा है, इसका मतलब x माइनस ए विल बी इट्स फैक्टर. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following cases. Okay, so in this question you are given 3 polynomials, okay, px, in which gx, against them gx you are given a factor, and using factor theorem you have to determine whether this gx is a factor of given polynomial. Okay, so let's check it. The first part is px is here 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Okay, and the factor that we have to check here, that is given you x plus 1. Okay, so if this is a factor of this polynomial, means gx, if gx is a factor of px, it means the value of polynomial at a is here what, -1, means the value of p minus 1 must be 0. Okay, so we will write it as by using, because here you are asked to use factor theorem. Okay, so by using factor theorem, if x plus 1 or gx, if x plus 1 is a factor of px, then p, यहाँ से a की वैल्यू क्या निकल के आएगी, हम कैलकुलेट करके x प्लस 1 क्या है, x माइनस a ही तो है. अगर हम फैक्टर थ्योरम का यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो फैक्टर थ्योरम हमारी उसका स्टेटमेंट क्या है कि इफ़ x माइनस a इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ गिवन पॉलिनोमियल whose degree must be greater than or equals to 1. Okay, so here degree is greater than 1. Okay, so if x minus a is a factor of the given polynomial, then pa must be 0. Okay, so from here we have to calculate this a. So see here, x is cancel out, you are left here with a equals to -1. Okay, so here the value of a is -1. It means then p minus 1 must be 0. ओके, अब हमें क्या करना है, चेक करना है क्या ये वैल्यू p माइनस 1 की 0 आ रही है या नहीं आ रही है. ठीक है, तो लेट्स चेक इट. p minus 1, so in place of x you have to put -1. Okay, so 2 into -1 whole cube plus -1 square minus 2 into -1 then -1. Okay, now see here, -1 cube means -1 and -1 into 2 is -2. Okay, and square of -1 is what, +1. Okay, and 2 into -1 means -2 and here minus sign, so +2. Okay, and this -1. Now see, -2 plus 2 cancel out, +1 -1 cancel out, so here you are getting 0. So here the value of polynomial at a equals to -1 is 0. It means x plus 1 is the factor of given polynomial px. Okay, so gx is a factor of px. ओके, gx हमने फैक्टर थ्योरम का यूज़ करते हुए चेक कर लिया कि gx क्या है, px का फैक्टर है. ओके, नाउ सेकंड पार्ट इज here the px is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, and gx is x plus 2. Okay, so you have to check for this gx as a factor of px. Okay, so using the same factor theorem, okay, if gx, that is x plus 2, okay, is a factor px, it means then t a यहाँ पर क्या होगा, देखिए x plus 2 है, x plus 2 हमारा किसके इक्वल है, x माइनस a के. ओके, तो देखिए x कैंसल आउट, a क्या हो जाएगा आपका -2. ओके, तो इसका मतलब हमें पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू -2 पर चेक करनी है, इसका मतलब. ठीक है, तो इफ़ gx इज x plus 2 इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ px, देन p -2 मस्ट बी 0. ओके, नाउ checking for the same, p -2, in place of x you have to put -2. Okay, so -2 whole cube plus 3 into -2 square plus 3 into -2 plus 1. Okay, Now cube of 2 is 8 and cube of -1 minus sign, okay, you will multiply here minus sign 3 times, so it will come as -8. Okay, square of -2 will be 4 and 4 3 ja 12. Okay, and 3 into -2 will be -6, then +1. Okay, now see, -8 plus 12 will be 4. Okay, and -6 plus 1 will be -5. So 4 minus 5 is what? -1. That is not equals to 0. It means this gx is not a factor of px. Okay, so it implies what? So gx is not a factor of px. Okay, यहाँ पर a हमारा क्या है? -2 की वैल्यू 0 नहीं आ रही है, इसका मतलब x plus 2 is not a factor of given polynomial. Okay, so third part is here the px is x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 and gx equals to x minus 3. Okay, so we have to check x minus 3 is a factor of this px. Okay, so by using the same factor theorem, by factor theorem, if gx, that is x minus 3, means it is in the form of x minus a, so a here will be +3. Okay, so if gx equals to x minus 3 is a factor of given px, then p3 must be 0. Okay, x माइनस ए जो कि यहाँ पर क्या दिया है आपको? x माइनस 3 अगर फैक्टर है इस पॉलिनोमियल का तो पी ए की वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए? 0, और ए हमारा यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? 3. ओके, सो p3 मस्ट बी 0. नाउ वी विल चेक फॉर p3, इज दिस कमिंग 0 और नॉट? ओके, इफ इट विल बी 0 इट मीन्स x minus 3 is the factor of given polynomial. Okay, so p3 is what? 3q minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. Okay, so cube of 3 is what? 27 and square of 3 is 9. 9 4 ja 36 and 3 plus 6 is what? 9. Okay, so now see, 27 plus 9 what? 36 minus 36, it means 36 minus 36 is 0. Okay, so the value of the given polynomial at a equals to 3 is being 0. It means x minus 3 is a factor of given polynomial px. Okay, तो बहुत ही सिंपल है फैक्टर थ्योरम का यूज़ करना, किसी भी फैक्टर को चेक करना कि गिवन पॉलिनोमियल का वो फैक्टर है या नहीं है. ठीक है, फैक्टर होने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? पी ए की वैल्यू 0 होगी आपकी. ठीक है, तो आप पहले ए की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करिए उस गिवन फैक्टर से. ओके, फिर पी ए की वैल्यू को आपको चेक करना है कि 0 आ रही है या नहीं आ रही है. अगर पी ए आपका 0 होता है इसका मतलब x माइनस ए विल बी द फैक्टर ऑफ गिवन पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, नहीं आता इसका मतलब नहीं होगा फैक्टर. ओके, सो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following cases. Okay, so in this question you are given here 4 polynomials. Okay, in which this is very sure that x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. So you have to find out here the value of k that is involving in the given polynomial. Okay, तो यहाँ पर एक चीज़ श्योर है कि x minus 1 आपका क्या है? हर एक गिवन पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है. इस फैक्टर है तो इसका मतलब by using factor theorem p1 must be 0 in all the cases. Okay, so let's check first part. If x minus 1 is a factor, okay, so you have to find out this value of k. Okay, so you will write it as y factor theorem since x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial px, okay, it means, which implies what, p1 will be 0, ओके। यहाँ पर आपको ये दे रखा है कि x माइनस 1 क्या है, इस हर एक जो भी 4 पार्ट्स हैं इन क्वेश्चंस, इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के, कि x माइनस 1 is a factor of every polynomial in question number 3. So you have to find the value of k. Okay, so by factor theorem, x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. It means a is here what, 1. The value of polynomial at a equals to 1 must be 0. Okay, so y equating p1, since p1 is 0. Okay, so put the value of a equals to 1 in the given polynomial. 1 square plus 1 plus k, that will be equal to 0. Okay, so square of 1 is 1 plus 1 plus k. K 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus k is equals to 0. So from here the value of k is coming out this side. If you transpose this 2 on the right hand side of equal, so it will be minus 2. So here you are getting the value of k as minus 2. Okay, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको ये दे रखा था कि x माइनस 1 क्या है, इस पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है। फैक्टर है इसका मतलब p1 की वैल्यू क्या होगी, 0 होगी। तो इसी का यूज़ करते हुए हमने क्या किया, k की वैल्यू को निकाल ली। ओके, नाउ सी सेकंड पार्ट। You are given here x minus 1 as a factor of this polynomial, okay, and you have to find this value of k. Okay, so by using factor theorem, since x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, it means p1 will be 0. Okay, so by equating p1 is here what, in place of x you have to put this value 1, so 2 into square of 1 plus k into 1 plus root 2. Okay, that is given here 0. Okay, now see, square of 1 is 1, 2 into 1 is 2 plus k plus root 2 equals to 0. So from here you are getting the value of k as, if you transpose this 2 and root 2 on the right hand side of equal, so you will get here minus sign, minus 2 minus root 2, or you can write it as minus 2 plus root 2. Okay, now third part is here the same, you have given x minus 1 as a factor of the given polynomial, that is kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Okay, so by using factor theorem you have to calculate the value of k. Okay, so since x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial, it means p1 will be 0. Okay, so after putting the value, p1 will be k into 1 square minus 2 root 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 0. Okay, so here square of 1 is 1, 1 into k is what, k. Okay, and root 2 into 1 will be root 2 and this plus 1. Okay, now see, the value of k will be from here, if you transpose this minus root 2 on the right hand side, so it will be root 2, and if you transpose this plus 1, so it will be minus 1. Okay, so here the value of k you are getting root 2 minus 1. Okay, now fourth part is, you have given same x minus 1 as a factor of the given polynomial, that is kx square minus 3x plus k. Okay, so since this is the factor of this polynomial, it means p1, a is here what, 1, so p1 will be 0. Okay, so same we have to apply here. If since p1 is 0, it implies you have to put the value of x as 1 in the given polynomial. So k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k. Okay, so that is equals to 0. Now see here, k into square of 1 means 1 into k will be k, and 3 into 1 will be 3, and this plus k. Now see, these 2k will be add up, so you will get here 2k minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so it implies if you transpose this minus 3 on the right hand side of equal, so you will get here 2k equals to plus 3. Okay, and if you transpose this 2, that is multiplying with k, so you will get k as 3 upon 2. So here the value of k is coming out as 3 upon 2. Okay, so in this